Make sure to stay till the end. It may not be the fuse, or you may need a special procedure after replacing the fuse. We'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Challenger. And if your high beams do not work, guys, you cannot switch them from low to high beams or they're stuck. We're going to talk which fuse you need to check, guys, because you have a special fuse that actually changes from high beams to low beams. You have one bulb in that thing, you can see, but it just moves the lens, okay, practically up and down. So we'll talk about that fuse today. So before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can save a fortune. So let's explain how to fix that now. Most people will naturally do one thing, guys. They're going to go ahead, okay, open the hood, and when you open the hood, they will just try to find that fuse right here in that fuse box, but it's not there, guys, it's somewhere else. So we're going to come towards the back of the car. What can cause, okay, high beams not to work? It could be multiple things. We have a special video about that. Check it out on the channel. Car was in a little bit of an accident here, but we'll be fixing it soon. Runs and drives like a champ, guys. We drove it recently and it's amazing, low mileage vehicle. So if we come right here, make sure you turn the ignition switch off. When you leave the cover for the trunk, you're going to get to the spare tire. Here is the car battery. It's even recommended, guys, when replacing fuses and relays, to actually disconnect the car battery. And on these modern cars, it really matters which battery terminal you disconnect first. If you do it the wrong way, you can cause damage to modules, computers, and that can, guys, cost you thousands of dollars and multiple hours of work to diagnose the problem. Now, how we know that? We burn a computer module, airbag module on a Mercedes that cost us $2,000. So check out the video that talks about which battery terminal to disconnect first. If you come right here, this, guys, is the fuse box that we need. You're going to press right here, okay, press like that, pull up. Okay, now which fuse we need to check, guys, for high beams? Always it's a good idea to test fuses and relays. Sometimes you cannot clearly see if a fuse is burnt. If it's not burnt, it's okay, but if it's burnt and you think it's good, you put it back in, you may end up spending time and money you didn't have to, guys, to fix a problem that practically doesn't exist. So always test fuses. We're going to put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, relays, and where to buy cheap fuses and relays from. The fuse that we need, starting from left side to the right, even if you have a missing one, okay, we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That 6 fuse, also known as fuse F7, but it's 6 in a row. When you replace the fuse, sometimes you have to do something special, guys. If high beams still do not work, okay, let's explain what can easily cause that. That's the fuse. You can see 40M fuse in our case. If the fuse was burned, you had a problem with a headlight lever, turn signal lever that changes from low to high beams, you may need to use a special computer, guys, now to reset the body control module and the computers in the car. And that something like the Maxicom will do the trick. This is amazing scanner, that's our favorite one. I'll put the link in the description of the video below if you want to check current price and features, but it works on almost any car you can think of. You can access every computer system, read the lead codes, and some cars like that BMW, they have more than 50 computers, guys, so you may need to reset the codes for everything to work correctly. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.